Guys, I just want to know if I sound like Chris Brown. Cause I don't think I do.
You saved our lives, Mr. Swanson.
Let's go. I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm too fine like a dance. This tattoo on my neck. I just FaceTime Kanye. I told him to move his finger. God holds him out of him. Yeah, I do. Hold up. I got a cat. Oh, I can see so well. Whenever I can see the end though. But can I really see the end though? What up, Ma? What up, Ma? What up, Ma? I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So hot it's turning to Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I drive his Ferrari. And I'm like skin black. So put a thumbs up of what you think about me singing like Chris Brown. Cause I know I don't. I'm trying to see if I do.